open, close, open, close, and last time open, close, and relax. Take your right hand above your head and put it at the back. Now with your left hand, push your elbow back. Push it backwards. Feel the stretch. Feel the stretch. And now pull it towards your left hand from the back of your head, keeping your head straight. Feel the stretching. Gently tuck the hand towards your left. Slowly release. Take your left hand above your head, and with your right hand, push the elbow back. Keep pushing it. Feel the stretch under your armpit. Now slowly pull that elbow towards your right hand from behind your head. Feel the stretch. Try to keep your head straight in front. Once you're done, slowly release your hands. All right. Take your hands above your head, palms facing front. Slowly bend forward and put your hands on the ground. Now walk with your hands. Walk 3-4 times and relax. Again, walk a little ahead. Now, put your head down and push your bum at the back. Push your bum at the back, hands in front as much as you can. Pulling your stomach in and just breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Slowly release. Come walking backwards. Walk backwards. Walk backwards and release. Take a deep breath. Again, hands up. Twist to the right. Both hands on either side of the knee. Start walking forward with your fingers. Walk with your fingers. Take a break. Again, walk. Try to keep your bum on the ground. Pull yourself backwards, pushing your hands forward, head down as much as you can. Take deep breaths in and out. Take deep breath in and out. Here your elbows are locked. Slowly walk backwards. Now you can bend your elbows. Walk backwards and relax. Once more. Hands up, palms facing forward. Turn to the left. Both hands on either side of the knee. Slowly take a few fingers forward, walking. Stop again. Take your hands forward. Now push your bum at the back. Feel the stretch. Put your head down. Lock your elbows. Feel stretching in the different parts of the body. Keep there, breathing. Now slowly release your elbows. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Take your hand up. And from the side, bring it down. And relax. And now for some twist. Take a deep breath in and out. Just twist both your hands on the left side. Turn both your hands on the right. Both your hands on the left. Both your hands on the right. Both your hands on the left. And right. And once more left. And right. And relax. Take a deep breath in and out. Slowly take your right hand, elbow next to your leg. And then take your hand above your head. Stay there, breathing normally. Feel the stretch at the side. Stay there. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly come back up straight. Pull your hand a little up, turn, and bring it down. Take your left hand, elbow down on your left leg. Take your right hand above your head, bend. Stay there. Feeling the stretch. Breathe in and out. Mindful of your body, your stretch. Slowly release. Come back up. Pull your hand a little bit up. Turn it and bring it down. All right. Put your legs in front. Shake your legs up and down. Nicely. Bang your legs up and down, making some noise. Shake your hands. Take deep breaths in and out. Now take your belt. Bend your left leg with the heel at the end of your thigh. Keep your body straight. You can put the belt on your leg. And now, pulling your leg, you can bring your head down. Pull your leg as much as you can or you want to and bend your head down. Feel the stretch underneath. Feel the spine which is getting pulled. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Slowly release and relax. Open your leg. Fold your right leg. Put the belt on your left leg. First be straight. Take a deep breath in while breathing out. Pull your leg towards you. Pull your leg as much as you can. Slowly bending forward. Feel the stretch on the underneath your leg and your back. Breathe normally. Go only till your yellow zone, not the red zone. Slowly release and relax. Take a deep breath in and out. Now put the belt around both your legs. First sit straight, back straight. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, bend forward but pull your legs towards you. Bring your toes towards your face. Keep pulling and keep bending. Take deep breaths in and out now. Stay in the posture. Feeling the hamstrings, feeling your thighs, feeling the rolling of the spine. Relax your head, relax your neck. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly release your head, release your hands and relax. Take your hands and legs, shake your hands and legs. All right, bend your legs for Naukasana. Not near your body, away from your body. Now sit straight, holding your, sit straight. Now bend your head a little back, but keeping your back spine straight. Now slowly pick your legs up. Yeah? Once you're done, once you pick your legs up, you can take your legs straight and bring it back. Again, take your legs straight and bring it back. Take your legs straight and bring it back. And now stay there. Stay there. Release your hands. Release your hands. You can keep your legs bent only. Release your hands. Stay there. Stay there. Slowly make your legs straight. Now, Kasan, take a deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in and out. Bend your legs. Bend your legs. Put it down. Release the posture and relax. Open your legs. Look back and release the tension in the body. Take deep breaths in and out. Take deep breaths in and out. Take a deep breath in and out. All right, go into cat and cow. Hands under your shoulders. Open your palms wide, all your fingers wide. Legs, knees in line with your hands. Take a deep breath in and look up. Push your spine down. Pull your bum up. Breathe out and roll your spine. Pull your stomach in. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down. Last time, breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down. And stay in neutral. Take a deep breath in and out here. Take a deep breath in and out. Right hand, left leg. Look at your fingers. Keep your toes pointing outwards. And release. Left leg, right hand. Toes pointing out. Look at your fingers and release. Left leg, right hand. And release. Left hand, right leg. And release. And sit in child. All right, come back to table. Come back to table. Take your right leg between your hands. Adjust your leg, adjust your hands. Okay? Left hand on the ground. Take your right hand up and look up at your hand. Look up at your fingers, feel the twist. Take your hand back down. Now come into kneeling position. Press your leg forward and bend your knee forward and look up. And come back. Hands down. Tuck your left toe in and take your leg back for table. Now left leg in between your hands. Keep your right hand on the ground. Pick your left hand up. Looking up at your hand. Feel the twist. Take a deep breath in and out here. Slowly come back. Now pick your hands up to your knee. Press your knee. Bend your left knee forward and arch back and look up. Slowly come back. Both hands down. Come back into table and go into child. All right, come into mountain. See that your heels are touching the ground. Walk in slow motion on your toes. Right toe, left heel, left toes, right heel. Come on, enjoy the walk. Enjoy the walk. Bend your knee slowly and push your heel down. All right. Take a deep breath in and out. Now raise your right leg. Twist it to the other side and look at your leg from the left shoulder. Again, take it straight up and bring it down. Click your heels up and down. Now take your left leg up straight, bend it and look at it through your right shoulder. Take it up straight and bring it down. Click your heels up and down. Go into child. Come back into mountain. Click your heels. Back to child. Back to mountain. Click your heels up and down. Once more child. Mountain. Click your heels up and down. And go to child and relax. See that you're sitting on your heels. Relax your full body. Hands can be in front or beside you at the back. Slowly lie down on your stomach. In any relaxation pose. All right, forehead on the ground, hands beside you for bhujang, but only spread your legs with the toes pointing outwards. Take a deep breath in and go up for bhujang. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Forehead on the ground. Again, breathe in and go up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go down and relax. Now, chin on the forehead, hands either beside you, fingers pointing back, or hands under your thighs, palms touching the thighs. Chin on the ground. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, take your right leg up. Now bend your left leg and support your right leg. See that your right knee is locked. Toes pointing out. Continue breathing normally. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly release the left leg and bring your right leg down. Take a deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in while breathing out. Take your left leg up. Bend your right leg and support the left leg. Left knee locked, toes pointing out. Stay there breathing normally. Feel the pressure on the spine. Take deep breaths in and out. Relax your shoulders. And slowly release your leg, right leg, then left leg. Put your legs out towards and relax. All right. Slowly turn onto your backs. Take a deep breath in and out. Relax every part of your body which we have used. Take deep breath in and out. Slowly bend your legs, bringing the heels towards your body. We are doing the bridge pose, Setu Bandhanasana. Hands beside you. Take a deep breath in and pull yourself up as high as you can. If you want, interlock your fingers underneath you so it can push you a little more. Stay there breathing normally. Take deep breaths in and out. Connect with your body. Breathe in and out. Release your hands. Put your bum down and relax. Stay there only. Once more, take a deep breath in and pull yourself up. Interlock your fingers underneath. Pushing yourself up a little more. Take deep breaths in and out. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Slowly release your hand and relax. Stay in that position. Relax shake your legs. Relax your legs. Now, interlock your fingers under your head. Now we are going to do the cycling, but with also our hands. So your right elbow will go towards your left knee. Okay? So, and the other leg will be straight. So, bend your left knee and right elbow and alternate. Come on. You can do it. All right, slowly, head down, legs down, and relax. Feel the stretching of the spine, the burning of the thighs. Take a deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in and out. Relax your body. Now take your belt onto your right, under your right leg. Lie down straight, shoulders on the ground, neck on the ground. Once you're ready, take your right leg up. Take your right leg up. Pull it as much as you can. Pull the toes towards your face. Feel the stretch. Try to keep your knee locked. Slowly take your right leg towards the left side. Keep your knees locked. You don't need to go down. Go as far as you can only. Feel the pain. Enjoy the pain. Try to keep your left leg relaxed. Come back. Take it to the right side. Open it wide with your knees locked. So you can feel the pull in the inner thigh. Again, come back up. Pull it towards your face. Pull it. Go back to the left. It's a little better this time, but the pull is there. Enjoy the pain. Slowly come back up. Pull it towards you. Take your leg to the right. Lock your knee. Feel the stretch. Slowly come back up. Again, pull it towards you and release. Put your belt in the left leg. Just relax your body. Shoulders on the ground. Now slowly pick your leg up. Pull it as much as you can towards your face. Pull the toes towards your face. Feel the stretch. Take your left leg to the right side without bending your knee. Keep pulling it. Feel the stretch. Feel the stretch. And come back. Pull it towards you again. Now take your left leg towards the left side. Try to keep the knee locked. Feel the stretch in your inner thigh. Slowly come back up. Pull it towards your face. Pull your leg. Keep your knee locked. Take it back to the right. Pulling, pulling, and pulling. Come back up. Pull it towards your face. Go to the left. Lock your knee. Feel the stretch. Relax your shoulders. Only your hand is pulling. Slowly come back up. For the last time, pull your leg towards you. Bring your toes towards your face. And release. Whew. Take a deep breath in and out. You have still a long way to go. Take a deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in and out. A deep breath in and out. Bend your legs. Take both your legs outside the mat. Knees also outside. Relax your back and shoulders. Hands in a straight line next to you. Or you can hold it under your, interlock it and hold it under your neck. Now bend both your legs to the right side, going down, looking to the left. Come back up. Take both your legs to the left, looking at the right. Come back up. Both legs to the right, looking to the left. Come back up. Both legs to the left, looking to the right. Come back up and relax. Deep breaths in and out. Feel every part of the body that we have used. You can shake your hands and legs if you want. Take nice, long, deep breaths. Slowly turn to your right side and come into standing position. Take your hands and legs. Shake your hands and legs. We'll do one round of Rekha Gati. Those who are not here and who don't know, I'll just repeat. Half your foot outside the mat, half your foot on the mat, so you know that you're walking in a straight line. Stand straight but not stiff. You start with one leg without bending your knee, coming in front of the other, heel touching the toe, but your leg half out, half in. Look at a point in front of you. Take your left leg without bending. It's difficult. Bend it if necessary. Keep your body straight. Focus on your legs, taking your heel to the toes of the leg behind and half leg in, half leg out. Balance it. Take the next one. Take the next. Once you reach the end of the mat, go backwards. Go back to the beginning of the mat. But try to see that your foot is half in, half out, so we know we are walking in a straight line. Once you're done, relax and come back to the mat. Shake your hands and legs. Shake your hands and legs. All right, now just go near the wall. Go near the wall. Hands in line with your shoulders. Legs away from the wall. Pick your leg, right leg up and outwards. Once more, leg up and outwards. Once more, up and outwards. Once more, up and outwards, and relax. Take your left leg up and outwards, up and outwards, up and outwards, up and outwards, and relax. Take a deep breath in and out. Now, take your left shoulder to the left wall. Bend your right leg. Hold your ankle. Now start pulling your leg back and pushing your body forward. Take your leg out as much as you can. If you can release your hand, fine. Otherwise, keep holding the wall. Push your leg back. Put your body down. Breathe in over there. Breathe in and out. Slowly release. And relax. Put your left shoulder to the wall. Hold it. Bend your left leg. Right shoulder. No, sorry. Right shoulder to the wall. Bend your left leg. Hold the ankle. Bend forward, pushing the ankle back, keeping support on the wall. Youngsters, if you can, release your hand in front, you can. Otherwise, keep holding the wall. Push your foot out, bend forward. Right knee locked. Slowly release. And come back. Today the workout has been quite intense. Because tomorrow is a holiday. Take your hands and legs. All right. And now let us do our Surya Namaskar. And then lie down in Shavasana. Stand in the front of your mat. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Sthit Pratnasan. Legs together. First pick your toes up and push it down. Pick your heels up and push it down. Knees straight but not stiff. Shoulders back but not stiff. Continue with your practice and then lie down. Lie down. Once you're done, lie down. Take deep breaths in and out. Take deep breaths in and out. Relax your whole body. Take your attention to any part of your body that is hurting or feels stretched. Take your attention to that part of the body where you feel there's a knot, there's a pull. Focus totally on that point. And now relax the muscles of that area. Conscious relaxation. Let your feet fall outwards, 2.5 feet wide. Hands away from your body, palms facing the ceiling. Let go. Let go of all the asanas also that we did. Let go of the memory that we have finished our yoga session. Relax the toes, the soles of the feet, the heels. The feet take the weight of our body throughout the day. So consciously relax your feet, your ankles and calves, shin, knees falling outwards, thighs. Relax both the legs. Relax the groin, the pelvic muscles, the stomach, the internal organs that have also been massaged, the back, the tailbone, both the buttocks. Release the pressure of your buttocks. Leave it loose. Take your attention from the tailbone up your vertebra one by one, right up to your neck, and relax. Relax your chest and shoulders. See that they are on the ground, relaxed. Relax your hands, fingers and palms, wrists, elbows that have helped us with so many of our yoga asanas. Relax the neck and the head. Feel the head against the ground. Relax the facial muscles, forehead, eyebrows, eyes gently closed, nose, cheeks, lips slightly open, teeth not clenched, chin, and relax. Let the energy flow again from your feet, up your legs, into your groin, up your stomach, up your back, slowly going up, spreading also towards your hands, going up your neck, onto your head and face, and getting released from the top of your head. Relax your whole body. Relaxation. Shavasana is a very important part of our yoga routine, and we all love it so much. Enjoy that we don't have to do another round of the yoga routine we did. With deep breaths in and out. Now take a deep breath in and bulge your stomach. Retain it. And slowly release. Pulling your stomach right inside. So again, when we bulge it, you will retain it for 1 or 2 seconds. Take a deep breath in and bulge your stomach. And retain. And slowly release it. Pulling your stomach right back in. And relax. Take your attention to your nostrils. Feeling the cool air. Taking in all the energies. Focus on the slightly warm air that takes out the impurities. Keep your attention on the breath. Relax your body and mind. Slowly bring your legs together. Fold your legs. Let your knees touch each other and your feet outside the mat. Right hand on your stomach. Yogendra Pranayam 4, that is equal breathing in and out. You can feel your stomach bulge and go down. Do 5 rounds. Once you're done, release your posture. Bring your feet together, hands beside your body. Take your right hand above your head. Bend your left leg, left hand on the stomach. Turn to the right. Hand on your hands, leg bent for comfort. Take a deep breath in here. And say, ha. Take another deep breath in. And say, ha. Once more deep breath in. Ha. Slowly and gently with the help of your left hand. Come and sit into any meditative position, keeping your eyes closed. Take a nice deep breath in, hand out. Stay there for a couple of seconds. Bring the attention back to our surrounding. Feel your mat. Think of the things that are around you, the furniture around you, the people around you. And slowly rub your hands, creating heat. Cup your hands over your eyes, not touching your eyes, face. Spread it nicely over your body, especially the parts that are hurting. Open your hands in front of your face with a few blinks and the biggest smile for the weekend. Open your eyes, looking at your hands. Namaste.
Namaste. Thank you.
Okay. Welcome.
Okay. Thank you, Maushi.
Welcome.
Thank you, Maushi. Rohan, we can't see you. Rima, we can't see you.
Thank you. How's everyone? Everyone is fine? Okay.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Neha.
Thank you. All right.
All right.
Appa,
Enjoy your talk. What, Rohan?
Appa, how's your hand?
Still a little paining, but it's okay.
What happened to
Your back. What?
What happened to Sriram's hand?
in January. It's frozen shoulder.
From the time he went to that Dubai and pulled, no, so he still gets pain.
In January.
Like Rohan is pulling now.
For frozen shoulder. Now Sriram knows what pain is like because before he never used to get any pain, and he said, I can't imagine what pain you. I used to say, my knee is paining, my back is paining.
No.
No.
Amma, you look like you've built solid muscle when
Why?
you did this wala after, yeah, like solid, guns.
No, it is still loose, but.
But yeah, amazing.
How are you? Huh, beta?
All the stuff you do is amazing, I said.
Yeah,
I'm talking in between.
I enjoy it now.
I don't know if it was yesterday's session or the one before that, but you were doing plank, elbow plank, hand plank,
know,
and you were
how can
talking
you
in
talk?
between.
While doing it,
I've got used to it.
Oof, such modesty.
No.
Hair flip and like what?
Big deal with that.
But today my spine is definitely stretched and twisted. Like there is no doubt.
because you went on the mountain and then you came down to the.
And pull little bit more, little bit more, little bit more, little bit more. Like it's going. You feel like one of those cartoons, no? It's just like when you finish this, I'm going to be long, like when rubber.
You're
band.
watching too much of Tom and Jerry cartoons.
In my head, Amma, in my head.
Rubber.
Her daughters are not watching Tom and Jerry and all that.
I know that.
Absolutely.
They're watching Fuller House and Gilmore Girls and oh my god. Yeah.
Oh my God, it is correct.
Anyway, children, enjoy your talk. Bye,
Thank
Sil.
you.
Bye.
Love you
Love you
all.
all. Rohan, how are you? Haven't seen you in some time.
I'm good, ma.
Good. How's Clem?
Clem, why did you change this? Account?
This is my account now, not Ninad's. And so I'm recording these videos. If I record with Ninad, I don't really get access to them when I want.
I need help. I have a Zoom meeting tomorrow for Guru Purnima. Now,
Okay.
if there is how do I play a tape on Zoom?
By
Okay.
tape, what do you mean?
If somebody has taped something,
Okay, like a video.
a video.
Okay.